Good afternoon there. Today I have for you a Ford Transit Connect from 2020, obviously in white. This is a short wheelbase, low roof version. So I'll just take you around now and just show you the cab from the passenger side. As you can see, it has 2.5 seats, so you can fit up to 3 people in here. Into the cargo space in the back. Comes with rings so you can strap down any goods you may be carrying. And once again, I will just show you from a different angle. There we are. Now if we come into the cab, first of all, if we look at the steering wheel, we've got voice recognition, voice command, and hands-free cooling. This obviously also comes with Bluetooth in the vehicle as well. And if we just head over to the other side, we've got the controls which run the screen here, so we can go for our speedometer, trip details, average fuel and distance. There we are. This is 6 gears and then also a reverse gear, of course. Air conditioning, radio settings, so on and so forth. This does also come with parking sensors, which are very helpful. Now, the last little thing I just want to show you is it comes with a 12-volt socket, and if we look underneath the half seat, there is also USB charging as well. This also does come with a little rack just here for a phone, which can then also be done through wireless charging. Thank you very much.